So, welcome, ladies and gentlemen. It's 1 o'clock afternoon, and it's lunchtime. I hope you enjoyed your lunch, and I hope you enjoy also my presentation. The best presentation today, or the one of the best presentation today. So, ladies and gentlemen, I have the pleasure and the honor to present you this. What is this? iPhone. Hi, I'm not Steve Jobs. Why I present the iPhone here? What is this in my hand? I have one, I'm sure you have one too. Why do you need this device? Sorry? Media? Communication, yes. I would say with this smartphone in my hand, I am connected. This is exactly my connection to internet. With this in my hand, I or you as human being, we are just nodes in this huge network. I'm okay with that. It's okay for me because I'm kind of smarter or more intelligent with this smartphone. I have a lot of apps on my smartphone, and I can do everything with my smartphone, with my connection to internet. And I'm kind of more predictable on the internet. At least when I buy something online, my behavior is pretty predictable for Google and Amazon. So, the same thing, we want to do the same thing with our machines, with our assets. The machines, they have been serving us so long and working so hard for us since the beginning of industrialization. But they are kind of lonely and offline. We want to connect them. We want to make them smarter, make them more intelligent, and make them more predictable. We want to know the problem before the problem occurs, and we want to sell the customer product and service before they even know they need the product and the service. But how? The answer is Siemens MindSphere, the Siemens IoT operating system. It's an open ecosystem, and I think most of you are already familiar with this picture. So basically, we have 3 layers in this MindSphere IoT operating system. We have the Mind Connect layer, or sometimes we call it southbound, because it's on the south. And with the Mind Connect element, we connect our machines, we connect our assets, and collect data and upload data to the MindSphere cloud in the middle. And here in the MindSphere cloud, we host the data. And in the northbound, we have the Mind apps. We have the applications. Once you have the data within MindSphere, you can do something meaningful with your data. You can extract business value with your data. So this is our MindSphere IoT operating system. So now your question might be, I want to get started with MindSphere. I want to connect my machines. I want to develop something on MindSphere. But how? You feel uncertain because this is a new world for you. You feel uncertain, you feel complex, you feel ambiguous, or you feel lonely. But you are not lonely because we have the MindServices for you. What is MindServices? That's me. Not only me. MindServices is our entire service team. We, as MindService team, we provide you the service, we provide you the training, we provide you the workshops, the consulting service, and we will work together with you, and we start this journey to digitalization. We start this journey to IoT solutions step by step. But what is the first step? The first step is to connect the real things to the digital world. Today, you hear a lot of fancy words like artificial intelligence, like deep learning, like machine learning, or smart data. But everything, or all this new technology, all this new concept, they have something in common. They need data. They need huge amount of data. So the first step is to connect the real things to the digital world. And Siemens has the answer of the solution for that. This is the current available solutions to connect your asset to MindSphere. We have the hardware solutions, we have the nano box and the IoT box. And if you have a look around, you will see a lot of boxes here. These are our hardware solution to connect your machine and connect your asset to MindSphere. And if you go downstairs, you can see a lot of blue box with the text on it connected with MindSphere. And actually, they are using our hardware solutions. They are using one of these boxes to connect their machines with MindSphere and upload the data to MindSphere. And in addition to these hardware solutions, we have also the software solution, the MindConnect FB. It's a function block. It's a library. You can embed this library in the standard Siemens controllers. And yeah, this is an advantage compared with human being, because you cannot embed a software into your human body, not yet. But you can embed the software into the controller, into the machine. And we have also another software solution, the MindConnect Leap. It's a C library, and that's my secret weapon, because it's the most powerful and the most flexible solution to connect your device. It's a C library. That means you can develop a C program, calling this library, connecting your program to MindSphere, send data to MindSphere. And you can embed this C program into your device, as long as the device supports C. Okay, so this is the first step, to connect your real things, to connect your machines with the MindSphere. And the next step, once you have the data in MindSphere, you want to develop the apps, and you want to know how. First, how to connect the things with MindSphere. Second, how to develop the apps, the application. How can I access the data on MindSphere? How can I develop a nice user interface, a nice front end? And how can I develop a back-end service to analyze my data? So, and that's why we are here. This is the overview of our services. We have the MindSphere Academy. The MindSphere Academy is our trainings team. We provide all kinds of trainings, from the connectivity to the app development, to the front-end development and back-end development. And we have the MindSphere consulting service. So that's exactly the same as the Academy. We provide the consulting service from the connectivity to the app development. And we have also the plant security services to ensure the secure data communication and data transfer. And together, we are the MindSphere enablement. We enable the customer. No, we work with the customer together. We enable the digital transformation. We enable the Industry 4.0. And that is our goal as MindService. We are the service throughout the whole customer journey. Together with the customer, we answer the question how to connect real things to the digital world, and together with the customer, we answer the question how to transform data into knowledge and knowledge into business success. So Now it's your opportunity, ladies and gentlemen. Join this flourishing MindSphere ecosystem. Make it bigger, make it flourish, and make the future happen here. And make Germany great again. Thank you.